Are you tracking your taxes properly? And if you aren't, you better be, because when the tax man wants his money and he's like, pay me now, he'll have your money. But when it comes to no tax on tips, hey, well, that might be a good thing for everybody, because then we'll get some more tips, hopefully, and not get taxed on it and call it a day. So maybe that'll be a little benefit for people. Um, but who knows? But yes, so solo, well, I mean, we talk about this. We like to break down different things, different benefits and resources for drivers. We talked last week about tracking your expenses and how it's very important to track your expenses, because, when it comes to tax time, if your expenses outweigh the standard mileage deduction, you want to be able to know so you have the best claim possible. And then that way it'll be more money for you versus less money for Mr. Sam, who doesn't know how to spend his money from wiping his own ass. But with that being said, there are tax projections on the Solo app as well, too, which can help you get ready for quarterly taxes. Or again, if you're doing semi-annual, annual, you should probably be doing quarterly as a gig worker, just in case. But in reality, yes, Solo is another one of those things that has a great functionality when it comes to being able to track this stuff. So it's a all-in-one app that will be able to help you track a lot of your different things when it comes to managing your rideshare business, including what we had talked about with tracking expenses, your tax projections, as well as other things like being able to do the 3Ps a little bit better. So patience, positioning, and what's the other one? Planning. So you can
Tax
plan
planning.
by looking at when certain shifts are going to be busy, or certain times are going to be busy in your area. You can attack and plan accordingly. You can position yourself where it's going to be busy, and then you can have the patience. So if a ride that comes in that's not that great, you can wait a little bit for a ride to come in. It's going to help give you that insight there. There's a lot of other tools and functionality within Solo app. Make sure you download it, check it out, give it a try today. Link's going to be in the description below.
Yes,
I
definitely
don't know,
do
you
it.
want to say more about
No,
that?
I
I know
agree
you
with
love
everything.
talking about money and taxes.
Yeah, I agree with everything you said. We talk about money. Please go to my other channel at Sergio on YouTube. You'll learn a ton of stuff there about finance, investing, no rideshare, screw rideshare. It aggravates me once in a while, but you'll learn a lot about that. And go subscribe. I do a live stream every Friday, 10 a.m. NVIDIA's earnings coming out tomorrow. Fireworks.
Oh
Let's see
boy.
what. Oh yeah, after the close. Can you imagine that action tomorrow? So nobody email me tomorrow after 1 p.m. Pacific time. I'm busy. But anyway, so yeah, sign up to subscribe. Please subscribe. Anyway, so yeah, and please go sign up to Solo. Seriously, I mean, a lot of this, Chris, is about information and proper education. And then the year end comes, people go, yeah, I'm going to take the 67-cent IRS deduction. I'm not going to pay any taxes. And what if you have to? Then what? Then what? Did you save? Did you put the money aside? Because as independent contractors, it's 25% quarterly taxes. Hello. Hey. Yeah. You guys need to educate yourselves, man. So anyway, yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.